writers, editors, designers, social media managers. What if one AI could replace all of them and pump out 30+ pieces of content every single day? You don't need a team. You need this tool. Let's go. The tool is called Okoya, and it's like having a full content agency in your pocket. It writes your captions, creates visuals, schedules posts, and even tracks analytics, all using AI. Perfect for creators, agencies, e-commerce brands, and even freelancers who want to sell content as a service. Here's the breakdown. Write AI-powered captions, hook-driven, optimized for engagement. Generate stunning graphics, templates for Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. Smart scheduling, set and forget your whole week or month. Auto-translate plus hashtag generator, one click for multi-language global content. Okoya doesn't just save time, it creates content better than most junior teams. Let's say you're a solopreneur launching a skincare brand. 1. Type in your product name. 2. Choose a tone: fun, luxury, casual. 3. Okoya writes 5 product captions with hashtags. 4. It auto-generates matching visuals. 5. Schedule a week of posts across 4 platforms, all in under 20 minutes. You just did 4 people's jobs. With one tool. In one sitting. Who should use this? Freelancers. Offer AI-powered social media packages, and sell content creation without hiring help. Creators. Stay consistent without burnout. Repurpose your tweets into reels, your blog into carousels. Agencies. Scale without scaling your team. Manage 10+ client brands in parallel. E-commerce. Product launches, seasonal campaigns, testimonials, all handled by the AI. Real money angle. There are people earning $2,000 per month just offering Okoya-powered content packages. And businesses are happy to pay, because they see daily output with zero delay. This is automation meets monetization. Okoya is not just a tool, it's a team. If you're trying to grow online but stuck doing everything, this replaces the overwhelm. Subscribe, because next I'll show you an AI that creates and schedules viral YouTube shorts in one go. No editing needed.